Hello everyone, this is Rosanna at rosanamod, and I wanted to show you today, right to the point, let's make this really quick. This is my Farberware 10-piece, well of course that was great, I'm going to leave that in there. This is my Farberware 10-piece blender set, juego de licuadora de 10 piezas. So we're going to open this up. So let me see what we got. We got two things that look like lids. A little plastic ring. I'm not really sure what that is. We've got the bottom part, which is the blender. And we've got, is that it? Oh, we've got the single serve blender manual. Make sure that's it. Okay. I like to say that's it. I noticed that. Don't know what this is, which is a plastic ring, spare gasket. Oh, it's a spare. Okay, so I don't need it, but I'm just going to keep it in there. So I don't think I need to see it. This is obviously the lid, which is one of the ones that I'm going to use when I'm driving. Not sure why. There's two. I'm not sure. And then here's the cups, probably, right? Yeah. Here's a small cup. And I like to keep everything in there so I don't lose anything. OCD. She might have OCD. Haven't been diagnosed, but it looks like it. Could be. Or I'm just a little nuts. Okay, and I forgot my scissors, which is going to be to cut this open. Why do I have two? Why do I have two things of everything? It says single. Huh. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10-piece blender set. Oh, okay. Okay. 8. Let's see, maybe there's some surprises in here that I didn't notice because I didn't see it. And then look at the picture here again. 10-piece. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's like little grooves in here, or these little plastic nubs go in. And they fit kind of like right in there. And then how would you lock it? Oh, wait. What just happened? Oh, okay. All right. So you gotta really push it. I'm confused. All right. Oh, well, duh. Okay, this goes in here. So how does that work? Wait a minute. Did I just lose a piece? Oh God, I swear. I'm just like really, my brain's not attached today. Okay, put that in there. Now this would go in there, but maybe. So you would put the stuff in here, the drink in here, and then you would do this, and then you would screw this top on. So, okay, that makes sense. I'm not reading it because I'm trying, I like to figure things out that way. So you put the drink in here, like the banana and the strawberry or whatever, and then you put this part on this groove after you remove this, okay? So let me show you again, okay, with this one. Comes like this. Take that off. Put this in here, screw it on. Okay? Then this part, the spinny part that spins this, will go in there into those little grooves that I showed you with the little nubs, and lock it in, and probably you turn it on. There's like a whole thing of recipes. Okay, so remove all the packaging, we did that. Using the appliance, is for blending of cooked or raw veggies, fruits, and to grind dry ingredients like chia seeds, flax seeds, whatever. I wonder if you could do coffee in there. I wonder. Do not use it to chop hard foods such as nuts or frozen. Okay, well there goes that idea. And frozen food. Do not use for hot liquids or foods, so pay attention to the markings. My phone. Do not use the cups in a microwave. Okay, so these are not microwavable, so don't try and heat anything in here. Are they marked with anything? It just says max right here, so that's like the maximum that you can fill it. And I'm sure this one has one too. Yep, max would be like right up to here. And the appliance has a rated power of 240 W. I should have shut off my phone, but I didn't. Okay, so 1 cup is 13.5 ounces, which is this one. A small cup, which is this one, is 6 ounces. It's whatever, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so do not overfill the appliance. Okay, so that's it. And then when you finish, I guess you take it out like this, unscrew it, and then cover it, put it in your car to go. And remember, this is not for hot fluids, so you can't do any coffee in here or tea or anything like that. It has to be cold and no hard, so no frozen food, so I guess you can't put ice in it either. So no daiquiris for you, just whatever. Okay, that's it for now, and I hope you enjoyed this opening of my first box, and this is the Farberware stuff. So far so good. Let's make a shake.